In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what happened when I gave ChatGPT full control over my side hustle. From the daily tasks it automated, to the money it actually made, and the mistakes that almost ruined everything. Stick around till the end because the biggest breakthrough didn't happen until week 4. The setup, day 1. I told ChatGPT, "You're in charge of building me a side hustle from scratch. Budget, $0. It suggested starting with digital products because they cost nothing to make and can sell infinitely. So it generated a Notion template plus ebook idea in under 10 minutes. I didn't touch a word. I just followed instructions, created the files, and listed them online. The first sales week 1 and 2. By week 1, nothing happened. Crickets. But ChatGPT didn't panic. It created a content plan for TikTok, complete with scripts, captions, and hashtags. I used AI video tools to produce 5 faceless videos a day. Day 9, cha-ching! My first $10 sale came in. And once that happened, sales started rolling in every couple of days. Scaling up, week 3. By week 3, ChatGPT automated everything. Customer emails with AI written responses, product variations like journals, planners, and social media templates, even ads that I could run for free on Pinterest. Revenue hit $150 total by the end of week 3. Not life-changing, but remember, I wasn't lifting a finger. The breakthrough, week 4. Here's where things got crazy. ChatGPT suggested bundling products and offering discounts for bulk purchases. I tried it, and within a few days, sales jumped from $10 a day to $40 a day. One TikTok went viral, pulling in thousands of views overnight. That single video made over $300 in a week. The results after 30 days, at the end of 30 days, here's the breakdown. Total revenue, $950. Time spent, less than 2 hours a day. Tools used, ChatGPT, Canva, and free TikTok automation tools. The craziest part? I wasn't even being creative. ChatGPT literally told me what to do step by step. So here's the truth. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's a full-blown business partner. If a teenager with no money can do this, you can too. The only question is, will you start today, or will you wait until everyone else is already ahead? Hit that subscribe button if you want more real AI experiments like this one. Because next time, I'm letting ChatGPT run a business with an actual budget.